Crazy. Day 2 on the 50cc build. We found the rest of the fucking rings and gaskets that we needed stuck in the box somewhere. So now we gotta take it all apart, this cylinder and everything, we had the glue and everything. We were supposed to be able to ride it today, but now we gotta take it all apart to redo all the rings and gaskets so that it's properly sealed and there's no air leaks. So there goes all that work. This is like building a freaking car. It's a pain in the ass. So wish that didn't happen, but whatever. So after finding the hardware from the Polini, we got it all back together now. So now there's actually a gasket right there that's supposed to be there. There's actually a gasket right there. You see that silver thing in the bottom? Gasket in between there, and there's a ring in between there, so that's good. So now it's all back together. Now we're about to just put on the exhaust, and we'll see what else we got to do. The bike is back on its own weight. Put the kickstand down on it. The motor's back inside. Just need to put that cover on, carburetor's on. And the big bore. It's almost time to start it up. Just need to slap that cover on and this cover, plastic cover. And then we was just putting some new brake line cables and shit. But we'll get her started in a second. See over 40. Everything's back together. Put the smoke out in the outside or what? Rolling freely. Got the new brake cable. Trying to crank this bitch on for the first time. Turn the key. You're gonna crank it without no key?
It just to get some gas through the...
First cranks on the 70cc, new carb, new exhaust, all that shit. How's it feeling? Solid?
Oh, yeah.
Nothing so far.
System. It's a new carbon, there's no gas in there either.
Yeah, there's not that much gas in my gas tank either.
Oh no?
I'm not sure how much there is in there.
Oh, there's enough.
There's a little, but not like a lot. I don't know if that has to, if it has to do with anything. If that's, I think that has to do with it. But now it's gonna have more than enough. Spray any starting fluid, or you didn't?
Oh no, I'm just using the thing to try and vacuum.
The vacuum gas. Adjustment to the carb. Maybe that's the problem. Put some starter fluid. Oh, there it goes. Start now.
She starts.
That starting fluid. Got something else to have the gas going. See if she stays running now. How's it sound?
Yeah.
Sounds badass.
Sounds righteous.
Ended up taking out this fuel petcock, they call it, so we could just do direct fuel. Start it up. Let's see if it starts this time. With direct fuel, no starting fluid needed. Let's see if she starts now. It runs. Not even smoking much. I thought it would smoke a lot.
So usually when it smokes a lot like that, because there's a bunch of the oil in the chamber, but we didn't have it really drown like that. When it first started, we did have oil, but that was like the assembly.
She's running on her own. She's staying on too. So that's the end of the video. The bike is all back together for the most part. Just the plastics are missing. The new exhaust is on, the variator kit's on, the big bore kit is on, the carburetor is on, and the motor's back in and running pretty good. Just need to put a temperature gauge and just do some fine tuning on it. Let it heat cycle a couple times and should be good and ready to go. Nothing really else much to it. Starts right up if I wanted to start it. As you guys saw in the other clips, I just put this little fuel shut off so it's easier to manage fuel. Like, comment, subscribe, enjoy.
On the stocky, that ain't even the built bike. We're on the stocky going crazy. Sheesh.